Tennessee was well represented in Nashville on Sunday when the Tennessee Titans faced the New York Jets. DB graduate and two-time Paralympic medalist Blake Leeper honored as the 12th man sprinted on the field of the roar of the crowd. Look who was waiting for him. DB graduate, Tennessee Titan defensive back Coty Sensabaugh. How cool is that? Lifelong friends at midfield. After hugging a handshake, Leeper put on a show. First with the sword as the 12th man ritual, and then asked for a little more noise from the crowd, and then hits the gas and shows the kind of speed that makes him the fastest double amputee in the United States of America. Crowd went crazy. Here's Blake.
It's great. You know, I can remember at a time when we was little, and we both was like, man, when we grow up, we're going to do something great. And when we do it, we're going to stick together. We didn't know what it was going to be. I never thought I was going to be a runner. He never really thought he was going to take it to the professional level, but this is amazing how life works.
Great stuff. The Titans' 38-13 win over the Jets did come at a heavy